A remote mountain village is hit by a fierce snowstorm. Snow covers everything, and the temperature drops dangerously low. A newborn baby wrapped in a thin cloth is left behind in a wooden basket outside a collapsed hut. A white cat with thick fur appears from the snow, finds the baby shivering, and curls up tightly around him. The cat's warm body keeps the baby from freezing. All night, the cat stays still, refusing to move. In the morning, villagers searching for survivors find the baby alive, still protected by the brave white cat.
My dad away for Thanksgiving, and then I went up to Europe the day after, and I got back yesterday.